Okay, students, let us read the question. Given below the isometric drawing of a support made of malleable steel, draw the following views using 1:1 scale and third angle projection. It requires you to make the front view, top view, and right side view. So, as usual, we need to find first the x, y, and z. I'll use this text thing.
Doctor, in the class work, shall I write the y equal blah 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 and
Yeah, it's
b equal?
no.
Does it have marks?
No, there's no marks.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no marks.
Okay.
What I'm doing here just for our teaching. Okay. Just
Okay,
make
thank you.
this. You're welcome. 6. So the x. What is the x? It's 130, right? Because yeah, that will be the front view. So the front view will contain the x and the z. And the y.
90.
The y will be 90. You got 90 from here, right?
22.
Exactly.
Yes.
So it's 40 plus 50, so it's 90. Exactly, good. So this will be 90. Just use a capital Y here. Yeah, it's not important actually. Just, okay. And Z. The Z will be
100.
100. So we obtain 100 from this one, 60 plus 40. So it's 100. Good. Okay, 100 there. Okay. How about the A and B? Just copy this.
A, we did it with no, A is 60, doctor.
A is 60. Okay. This is the horizontal distance between the views, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And B is 20.
And
B is 20.
Yes.
Okay.
it's actually 16.6, but we approximated to 20.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yes, yes.
So actually, 20.6 actually.
20.6.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
No,
no
no,
problem.
no. 16.
How-
16, Doctor, 16.6.
16.6.
This is 16. Okay.
Yeah, 0.6.
Okay.
16.6.
16.6. Okay. So is this correct now?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So let us work on this. As usual, we will prepare the views region. Since we are asked to make the right side view, so that means the front view will be here. So this is the front view region, this is the right side view region, and this will be the top view region. So I will move these two. I will use move command. I put it there. Okay. So I'll just use this. Turn on the object snap. Perpendicular there. Okay, I will use the helping line here. From here. So it should be the A will be 60 at 60, 16.6, 16.6. There. So this will be the corner of one of the corner of the rectangle. And the rectangle will be x comma z for the front view. So at the x is 130, comma z is 100. There. Okay. And then I'll make the right side view. So I want to, this should be the A, so it has to be 60. That will be the first corner location. And this will be the second corner of the rectangle will be at the Y of the object, comma, Z, which is 100. There. Another rectangle here, go up. This is the B, 16,6. Okay. And add, this will be the X and the Y. So 130, comma, 90. There. As usual, you want to double check. Use this measuring tool. So 130, 100, X and Z. This will be Y and Z. This will be the X and the Y. This is on the a helping line, can be deleted. Also, this one can be deleted. Let's explode this. What's this dot? We can delete that dot. It's nothing. I will explode, select the objects, and press explode command. Of course, you can do the opposite. You can press the explode and then select the object, then enter. So now they are, they have been separated to their lines. Okay, now let us start from the front view. Okay, I'd like to make first the base. I would say this is the base, which is 40. Okay. So I'll offset 40 on the bottom to the top, and then what's next? Let us make the, so you have we can make a circle up there. So actually this a half circle, right? This will be a half circle. So you can do that. Circle command, and it will be at the center of this the center or the middle of the what you call this, the X. So I can just use the midpoint of this line. So object snap, midpoint object snap. So click there. So the radius is 30. There. The radius is 30. Okay. Of course, you can trim. This you don't need. Need that. What else do you want to make? We can make, can we make this? Is it easy to do? So it's 60 from here. Is there, oh, okay, it's given there, it's 80. It's 80 from here to there. Okay, so what I will do, I will make a center line. I will go from the center here. Okay, go straight downward. Go to the middle of this curve. Yeah, this is a half circle. I'll go there. Since you know this is 80, you know this is 80, so you can go from the center, offset half of it to the right and half of it to the left, right? So offset 40 from here to the right and from here to the left. There. So now you know that point here. You know this location. Okay. Okay, just to make sure the distance, let me check. So you see it's 60. The vertical distance, do you see this yellow lines? So it's shown 60, right? So that means it's that one. I mean, we are correct regarding the height. So the location is already correct. So the distance between this point and that point is 80. Is 80. Okay, which is correct. So let's connect these to that. I'll use a line command. Connect from this point to that point. Repeat a command. Repeat the command as usual by directly pressing enter. There. Okay. Now you can trim these things. And you don't need this. You can trim. Again, just to remind you, for students who are using the old version, you cannot use trim for deleting this. For deleting this, because it's a single line, it's just one line like that, not crossing anything, you must use delete key on your keyboard. Okay, or erase command. Okay, but in the newer version you can trim this actually. What's next? Next, let us make this thing. Let us make this thing. Okay. So you can do the same technique. Use offset. Okay, offset from here down 15, right? And then from the center to from the center you make a line here and you go to the right half of it and go to the left half of it. Half of this. Let's do that.
But Doctor,
Yeah, go ahead.
we know it's 40 from the right side or left side. You don't need to do
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, if you want. It's really up to you, the technique that you are doing. It's up to you. You want to offset from here because you conclude from this one, right? 130 minus 50, it is 80, and you divide by 2, right? So that's how you know it's 40 from here to here. Is that right?
yes.
Okay. So yeah, it's really up to you. Okay. Like for me, sometimes I'm lazy to calculate. So when I see it's 50, okay, it's 50, so I'll just do that thing quickly. Okay, so it's up to you. So what I'm going to do, I will just do like this. Okay, and do like that, and I'll offset 50. Oh, it's sorry, 25. 25 from here to the right, from here to the left, there. And then I will offset 15 from where? From this location. I'll offset from here down. Okay. So I will trim things. If I look at it, I know that I will not need this. and I don't need this. Okay.
How much did you offset from the horizontal line?
It's this one, 50. The horizontal from here, 15, 15.
Okay.
Yeah, it's there. It's 15. So I know also we don't need this. Okay. And this one needs to be extended up there. So I will use extend command. Extend this, extend that. There. Okay, now we are happy because now we can see the shape. It means we are getting closer to the final view. Okay, we have this circle in the middle. We have this circle, so let's do that circle. So it is 20 from here, and this is at the middle of the middle of the object. Yeah, it's not informed. Actually, a good technical drawing should inform that the distance is from here to here something, but it's not. I think it's not given. But visually, we can assume that it's at the middle. But it is 20 from this location, so it's 20 from here. Okay. So I can do the same thing. I can offset this up there by 20. Offset 20 here upward. So you know the center point, which is the cross section between these two lines. Let's make the circle command. Click there as the center of the circle. The radius is 10. Radius is 10. Yeah. There. Okay. So if you see there, there is a 5 here. It's actually the depth of the hole. So this hole, this circular hole, is not all through. It stops only into 5 milli inside. So the depth is 5 milli. You cannot see it here. You will see it on the right side view and on the top view. So what's next? Anybody can help? What's missing here?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, go ahead.
The tunnel. The
Exactly.
tunnel.
Yeah, good. There's another thing. Yeah, 2 tunnels actually, which is this and this tunnel and this, what do you call this, valley or what? So you should have hidden line here. You should have hidden line, which is this. Okay. So let's make one by one. Let's make the tunnel first. The tunnel, if you see the radius is 25, from here to there is 25. So we can use offset with a distance of 25 from down there upward. Okay, this will be a hidden line there. Okay. And then let's make this edge, okay, this surface. If you look at it, this thickness, I can conclude it's 5 milli. Okay, because from the top to this base is 60, and from the top to that base is 55. Okay, from the top to the base is 55. So it is 5 milli from the base, from the top, from this base. So I'll use offset 5 milli. there. Okay. Yeah. So this is and that. Okay. Actually, this line on the middle will be a center line. Will be a center line. The rule is if you have hidden line and center line overlapping each other, so hidden line should be superior. Okay, the hidden line should win. So what I'm going to do, I will delete this. Okay, that will be the center line of this thing, and I will use this. Okay, I will use this as the line instead. So this will be a hidden line. I will just make a long hidden line. So I'll delete this one. I'll stretch it to there. Okay, make sure that it is straight. Okay. Then
Doctor,
I will trim this moment. I'll trim this. There. This should be hidden. Yeah, go ahead.
what did you say about the rule?
Yeah,
That when there is two.
if center line and hidden line overlaps each other, so hidden line should be superior. Hidden line should be shown. Like this one, you have center line actually here. Center line of this circle. The horizontal center line, I mean. Of course, the vertical, you should show people it exists. Okay, so this should be a center line. Okay.
So, Doctor, the weakest is the center line.
Weakest.
Yes, I mean
Weakest.
when,
Oh,
when
weakest. Yeah. Yes, weakest is center line. So it will be visible line is the number 1, hidden line number 2, and then center line. Okay. Is that clear? So now,
yes,
okay, that's good. So the front view is done. Do you think anything is missing? Yeah, I think it's good. I can extend this 5 milli down. There. Okay. I extend this a little bit like 3 milli from the center because this is not 5 milli because it's a center. Okay. Oh yeah, I should have told you one thing. Okay, until now I was using lines to make center line. Actually, there is something called the center mark. Center mark. Okay, you can use this. It will be very fast, easy. So let me just show you quickly. The detail, I think I will just make another video for you guys, or you can search in internet. So just like that, just click, then you will get it. Okay, okay, this is a way to make a center mark. If you see the plus sign on the middle is large, it's because of the setting of the center mark. You can adjust the setting through here, dimensions, dimension style, and then you modify the dimension style. You have several tabs here. So you go to the tabs of symbols and arrows. So this one, center marks, you change it to, I think 2 is good. It's something like trial and error. Let's see if it's still good. 2 is good. Okay, of course, you need to repeat. Draw a dimension, center mark, and then click this. Now you have something like this. Looks good. This is not 5 milli. You need to extend. You need to extend this. I think this one is like 2 milli. So just extend another 3 milli. Okay. So I extend another 3 milli. There. Okay. I'll save the work. So now you are done.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yeah.
For the hidden line, the bottom one.
Yeah.
This one for what? This hidden line for what?
For the tunnel, this tunnel, the edge of this cylindrical tunnel, the top of this.
The top of it.
The-
why,
the-
why did you
the
put
top
it on the
edge.
top?
Because that
Yeah, why
will
did
be,
you choose the top? Why? Listen.
it's similar when you have a glass. How do you draw a glass? You draw the edge, right? You make a glass like a
So-
rectangle, a circular glass, cylindrical glass. When you see it, you just draw the edge of that glass. So when you see a glass from the front view, it's just like a rectangle.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So what you will see is the edge of those cylinders.
Doctor,
Yeah.
I don't have the draw tool in the top.
Ah, okay. That's the menu bar. So you need to turn on the menu bar. This one, these things are the menu bar. Okay. To turn on the menu bar, so it is by typing menu. Okay. And you will see options, many options. If you don't want to type the whole thing, you can just click menu bar. So I believe your value now is 0. That means it's off. In here, in my settings, it's 1, which is on already. So what you need to do, just type 1, then enter. So this should appear. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. And another note about the center mark. Okay, let me summarize. So using center marks, it's available in the modify. Sorry, not modify. Dimension. There is center mark here. And to change it, to change the size of the center marks, you need to go to dimension style. Okay. And then, okay, just let me repeat that. Dimension style, modify, go to the second tab, this is the first tab, this is the second tab. And here, center marks, you change the size. By default, it is 4.5. Okay. The last note that I would like to inform you about center marks, it consists of actually just lines. So like you are making lines, one line long, one line short, one line long, okay, something like that. So if you choose this and you look at the properties, is not a center to properties. The line is just normal line, just a continuous line, but you draw that line one by one. I mean, as if you draw the line one by one with a long and then short and then long. So it's different than this one. This one, you make a single continuous line, then you change the properties. Center to. That's why when you click, it's one package. Understand the difference? However, it is not the
Teacher,
problem.
why don't you just make the upper circle center line?
Oh, you mean up here goes there? You mean from here
No,
to
for
there?
the horizontal one.
For the horizontal
For the horizontal.
one, you mean this?
No, the upper circle,
Okay.
but the horizontal line for the upper circle.
Wait, this one?
Yeah, why don't you make it center line?
Uh, okay, it's possible. Actually, if you want to change it, it's possible. But if you see this, it's already looks nice. Okay, it's already it looks nice already. So you don't need to change that to center 2. You are saying like this, right? Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also possible. It wouldn't be a mistake if you do this. Okay. However, if you keep it like this, it will also be okay. Unless if you have a big circle, like I will show you something. For example, you have a big circle like that, okay? And then you use the dimension, center mark, like that. So now you see this line is very long. The long line is too long. The long line is too long. So in this case, you need to change to center 2. Okay, do you understand my point?
Oh, yes, I do. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doctor, can I put 2 lines and select them both, then change it to center 2?
Like we did before in the previous
Yes,
classworks. Yeah, that's fine. Both techniques are your choice.
but it doesn't has the same shape of yours.
Oh, you mean the plus sign on the middle?
Yes.
Yeah, that's one of the disadvantage when you use line for half circle. If you have a full circle, it will be good, but if you have a half circle, it will not be symmetric. But it's okay. It will not reduce your mark, so everybody will
But
know
I
that this is center line.
but I don't have it in the draw bar, so that's why I did it.
You don't have what, center marks?
Yes, I don't have.
Yeah, you need to turn on this, the what you call this, the menu bar. Okay, turn on the menu bar, like I've showed you before. You type menu bar.
Oh,
You
okay,
are
I get
okay.
it, doctor.
So let us continue. Let's do the right side view. Okay, which one is more difficult, right side or top view? What do you think? Maybe both are easy, inshallah. Okay, let's continue. I'll start from the base, this base. I will just make a projection from there. I'm using the extension object snap so that I don't need to trim. Okay. And then we can make the tunnel. I just use the middle object snap, midpoint object snap. Click there. The size will be 25. The radius is 25. Okay. And then let's trim. Trim there. I will not use trim here. I will just select and delete. Okay, I forgot to trim this thing down here. Okay. What's next? Let's make this U shape. If you look at it, it's like a U shape. So I like to find the center like that. I'll just make a center, the center location. So what I'm going to do, I will offset 30 to the right and 30 to the left. I will offset 30 from here to the right, from here to the left. Okay. And now you can trim these things. There. And let's make this. Okay, we know it's 20 and 20. 20 and 20. So let's make offset 20 from this here thing there, from here there, right? And you need to draw this base, this edge, right? This edge.
Doctor,
Yeah.
why did we do offset 30?
Offset 30, 30. Oh yeah, because the size is 60 here. From this corner, this surface, the back here, to here is 60. So I make the center plane and I offset 30 here and 30 there. Is that clear?
Oh, okay. Yes, yes.
I think this needs to be trimmed. I will just trim that to avoid confusion. Now you see, actually you have a surface higher than the base here. Okay, the surface higher than the base. This is the base, and you have the surface here, right? However, you don't know. Oh yeah, you know actually, it's 5 milli. It's 5 milli from the base. You can do offset, or you can make a projection from here. Projection from here. So I will just use projection from there. I'm using the extension object snap. I'll go there until there. Then you trim. If you look at it, this should not be there. This should not be there. Okay. So let's check. So this is 20, 20 and 10, 10. So that is what? 60. So we are good. Okay. So we have the visible things. Then we will have the hidden features. Okay. Let's do that one by one. So you will have this, I would say, like step or cavity or step. So it is 25 from the surface, right? 25 to there. Okay. So you can use this. You can project from here. Okay. And then go 25 there and goes up. Because this surface is that surface there. Okay. And let's do that. I'll use projection. I'll start from here. Then I will go. It will be 25, right? 25. And then you go up. Okay. Let me stop here. I will escape. So this is done, 25, which is that. From here, you need to go up, right, until here. Until here. And you will also see the edge of this half circle. Okay. So to do that, you need to make projection. So what I will do, I will just go up somewhere like that. There. Okay. But you don't know where should this stop, right? You don't know yet. So how to know that? Using projection. So you know this should stop there. Where is this location located? Where is it located?
Under the circle in the front view.
Right, under the circle. You mean here, right? This
Yes,
position.
yes.
Yeah. So that's why you need to use projection there. So I will project from here to there. Okay. Then I can trim. Okay, I will just trim. So that means you don't need this. Of course, you don't need this and that. There. It's not done yet. Okay, I will change this first to hidden. This is to help you visualize easier. Okay, now you have this shape already. If you see from the right, it's like L shape, right? L shape like that. Okay. And what else? If you see this from the right, this big cylindrical shape, you see from the right, you should show that there's an edge here. Like we have shown the tunnel. So we show the tunnel that there is the edge is like that. So we need to show the same thing here. You can do offset from here. You can do offset from here down because you know the radius is 30. Or you can just project from there. Okay. I'll go there. Enter, and I will trim. Yeah. The middle, of course, needs to be trimmed because this is hawa. This is air. This is nothing. No edge on the middle. So this has to be trimmed. And these two lines will be hidden line. There. So these two lines represents this edge 1 and 2. However, this is not exactly correct, because actually at this location there's no edge. It's already air. At that location is air because it's only 10 here. If you see, it's only 10, which is from here to here. Okay. See, it's 10 there. So you need to trim this thing. You will trim this thing later on. Okay. So we are getting happier because it looks clearer now, step by step. Let's do this thing. This, what you call this? Cylindrical hole. It's located where? It's located here, right? Goes inside. From here it goes inside. And you know the distance is 20 from the bottom. So I can offset from here 20, right? This surface. From here 20, or you can offset from there, from this circle. You can project from that circle. It's up to you. So let's just project from here. Okay, just project from there until somewhere, say somewhere there. Okay, I can say from there, and then this should be okay. I'll stop until there. So I know I'll just stop. This is to clarify you to make you clear, understand clearly. So now I've stopped at this surface. Okay, I've stopped at that surface, right? So I can make a line from here to there 5 milli because I know it's 5 milli. The depth is 5 milli. So I'll just make another line from here 5 milli, then enter. And what I'm going to do, I will just offset this small line. How much? A radius is 10. So 10 to the top and 10 to the bottom. Like that, right? Then I can trim. I will trim this, and the remaining you don't need this anymore. Just delete. Then you connect this with that. These things needs to be hidden. Hidden to, yeah, there it is. Okay. This will be center. Uh, 5 milli. 5 milli. As usual, if you have heard, or if you not, I will let you know now. If you have not heard, so if two lines is connected like this, two different lines, you need to give a gap. So I will give a gap there because this is the visible line and this is center line. So don't let them connect each other. Okay, now it's center line already. It's not showing. This is similar to the previous classwork. It's not showing because it's short. So you can change the properties. The line type scale needs to be changed. So by clicking the line and then right click, properties, the line type scale, do some trial and error, make it smaller. Let's try 0.8. I don't think it's showing 0.6. Still the same. That's 0.4. Yeah, so that looks good. Yeah. So basically you are done on the left side view. It remains on the right side view, right? You are done on the left region of the right side view. Sorry, I'm rephrasing. We are done on the left region of the right side view. So instead of repeating all of these, I will use, what should I use if you have this situation to make you work easier or faster?
Mirror?
Exactly.
Mirror lady.
Exactly. So you just need to use mirror. Even I will just delete this because it's not complete yet. Okay, what I'm going to do, I will select. Okay, before we do mirror, make sure that we have done everything. So you don't need to repeat anything. If you are sure that everything is done, so okay, so just select these lines. Okay. Those. Right? And then you click mirror command. Okay, the opposite also work. You click mirror command and choose what you need. Or choose what you need and click mirror command. So read the guidance here. Specify first point of mirror line. So the mirror line should be a line of the mirror. Okay, I would say I want the mirror line is this. So the first point is there. The second point is somewhere there or here. Doesn't matter. After you choose the 2 points of the mirror line, it will ask you erase source objects. No, you don't want to erase. So it's no in the memory of Autocad. Just press enter to repeat what is in the Autocad's memory. Okay. So this is the right side view, and I can extend this down. I'll trim these and that, okay? Or even I can repeat using the same technique. I will use the center mark. Delete this. I just extend this additional, I think 3 milli. Yeah. So we have done the front view and right side view. Any question until here?
Yes, please. For
Yeah.
the hidden line, for the hidden line on the bottom, down on the bottom,
You mean this one?
this one.
Okay.
What is this exactly?
This is this surface down here. You see the 25?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're looking
But
from this side.
I understand now. What about the vertical?
This
Yeah.
vertical, you mean? This is
Yeah.
this surface, this edge.
Uh-huh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Doctor,
Yeah.
sorry about this question, but can you repeat how we make the plus make smaller?
Oh, okay. So you just go to, you should have the menu bar on. Did you have, did you have
Yes,
it
yes.
on? Okay. So go to the dimension here and dimension style down there, dimension style. Click, modify. You will see several tabs. Choose the second tab. Here, down here, you see center marks. Decrease this to any value that you see appropriate or suitable to your drawing. I think 2 in our drawing, 2 is good. Is that clear?
Yes, thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome. Okay, let's do now the top view. So from where should I start top view? Since this is symmetric, let's again start from the middle. I don't know, I really like to start from the middle and offset here and there. It's really up to you though. It's really up to you. Okay, what I will do, I will offset. I'll make an offset to the middle, or you can just simply make a line. Okay, make a line on the middle of this. Okay. And then from here, I'll make the tunnel. I'll make the tunnel. The tunnel will be using offset again. The offset is 25 because the radius is 25. Offset here, this up or down. Down. Or actually you can make half of it and then do mirrors. Okay, you don't need to offset half here, half there. You can just make it half and do mirror. Okay, we can try that. Let's apply that concept. Okay. Hello, I hear something. It's a movie or something.
Mute.
Do you know do you know your friend? Please inform him to.
يا خوي حط ميوت.
Okay, let's continue. Yeah, this is for the tunnel. Let's complete later. I mean, by using mirror, we'll make something, half of it, and we will mirror all of those. Okay. So we have already the middle plane, which is this. Let's make this region, this thing, it will be from the middle is 30. So I will offset 30 from here down there. Okay. Right? And then I can do offset again. Okay, before I continue, I will just clarify things. So this surface, this line is this surface. Okay, that surface, but of course is still a long surface like that. So now I would like to make the thickness. So it should be 20, offset 20. So I will offset 20 from here to there. Okay. To avoid confusion, I will extend this 5 milli to show that this is the center line.
Doctor, I did not get the last.
You mean this line?
Yes, the last few steps.
Yeah, so I'm making this thing. Okay, this what trapezoidal shape. Okay. So I'm offsetting from the middle 30 to get this, because it's 60. So from the
Then 20.
middle, and then 20 exactly. So 30
Right.
from here to here, 30 from here to there, 20. Is that clear now?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So you've got this thing. Of course, it's not complete yet. If you notice this thing, there is an edge here. Yeah, you have actual edges. If you see from the top, it's like two rectangles. So this comes from these two things. Yeah. Okay. So I can project from there and just go from here. Okay. Go to there. Right? And do the same thing here. From here, go there. Right? And then I should trim this and that. There. Okay. The same thing you can do here. Same thing. You can make a projection, or you can use mirror. For these two lines, you use mirror. Choose the mirror line, which is this and that, or anywhere there. Erase the source objects. Erase the original. No. Press enter. Okay. So you need to, when you practice a lot, you will realize what's the faster method to use. Okay. Then what's next? Let us make this shape here. So from the top, you will see just like a rectangular. If your eyes is up here, you see downward, you will see a rectangular that size. So it's 25 from there, 25 from here, right? With a size of 50. And this is located at the middle. Located at the middle. I can do offset 25. This one goes there. Okay. So this is the new line that you have. Actually, it will be this edge. And then regarding the width, this 50, I can make it using line command, or I can just project from here. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will just project from here until the line that you just made, which is there. Just to make sure that this, oh sorry, I will use distance. So from here to here, it is 25, which is true, yeah, it's 25. So that's the thing. I'll just trim this. Trim this. Yeah, I did this directly because I don't want to confuse myself. I just clean that up. So I know this is the line that we are targeting. So we target to stop at that line. So from here, you go there. And then you trim. There. Okay. So now we have this surface, but there is something that we need to trim. Do you see this line? Okay, this line is actually this edge here. Okay, so when you see from the top, this edge stops there. And there's no edge on the middle here. And then you have additional edge there. Or the continuation of the edge. That means you need to trim this this thing at the middle. There. Okay. Is it clear until here?
What was the last step, doctor?
The last step, we trim the middle region. We trim this. Sorry, where is it? There. So this line is this edge. Okay, but if you see here on the middle, this region, it's there is a step. So this step, that means this edge doesn't exist on the middle. If you see from the top, it's just like a rectangle there. There's no line. Like this one,
Yeah.
there shouldn't be line there. So that's why I trim.
From the middle only.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay, so if you imagine you have this which is there, and this rectangle is this rectangle. Yeah. Next, let us make this circle, cylindrical hole. It will be on the middle of this. I will just make the center of it. I will choose the midpoint of these two lines. I go there. And then I will offset, sorry, where is offset? Offset. It will be 10 and 10, or you can, if you want, you can project from here. It's up to you. I'll use offset 10, 10. Okay. So you can also make a projection from here. However, again, you should remember that the depth of this thing is only 5 milli. See, like that one. So you need to make a line only 5 milli. Okay, I will just use offset 5 milli. from here to there. Okay, and then you trim. You don't need this, you don't need this, that. Okay, and these three lines should be hidden, and this should be center line. Go 5 milli, and this, I don't know, is it 5 milli? Let's just check. I will use a quick check. It is already 5 milli, so I don't know that I don't need to do anything. You can make this shorter, like 1 milli shorter. Just click and go down 1 milli. Same thing here. And then change the line type scale. Change the line type to center 2. As usual, because this is short. Because it's short, so you need to change the line type scale. Okay, make sure that you only click this line, so you don't change any other lines. Because AutoCAD, if you see AutoCAD, you can choose many lines together. Okay, so just press escape first to make sure no lines selected, no other lines selected. And then you select the only line that you need. You right click. Oh, sorry. Right click, properties. I think it was 0.5. Okay, no, it's 0.4. Yeah, I think it's 0.4. Looks good. There. Okay. Okay. We still miss something actually. But we can do that later, which is this region. This region. Okay. Okay, if you see if you see from the top, you will see like a U shape here. U shape. How to obtain this? You need to project from here. You need to project from here. Because you don't know the distance, from this edge, okay, this edge to that edge horizontally. Okay, you don't know. You only know vertically. It's 5 milli. From this edge vertically to that edge is 5 milli, but horizontally you don't know. So you must use projection. We will do that later after we do the mirror. So if we pay attention to these, yeah, I think we are done. We don't have any other things to do. So I'll just select everything there. I will click mirror. Specify first point of the mirror line. So here and there, anywhere. And then press enter. You don't want to erase anything. Okay. Or even if you want, you make first the line weight. The line weight, so when you do mirror, the line weight is also already chosen, already adjusted. Okay, let's do this that we have talked before. Okay, this point here is that. So let's make projection from there. From here, I'll go up. So until there. Okay. So this thin region is this region here. Sorry, maybe it's too small. Yeah, there. This thing here is that. Okay. So we need to trim the things that we don't need. We don't need this. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. And this line all of those, just delete. There. So let me show something. Okay, that's 5 okay, that's correct. The same thing you can do here. You can project from here, or you can use mirror command. I'll just use this. I'll do mirror from the middle to the middle. There. Enter. You don't want to erase. And then trim. Yeah. So now your views are done. Can you see that? It's like a U shape. From you see from the top, you should see U shape here. So it remains now to change the line weight.
Teacher, I have some questions.
Yeah.
For the hidden line, the first one, at the bottom,
Just a moment.
top view.
The top view. Okay, this one.
Yeah,
This
the hidden
line.
line from the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is the tunnel. This edge here.
Oh, the tunnel.
Yeah, this edge.
Okay, what
behind
about the
this,
center line?
the center line. You mean this center line?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to draw the center line, of course, and it has to be 5 milli outside the cylinder. In this case, the tunnel.
So the center line of the tunnel is in the middle, but the hidden line is in the bottom side. Bottom. Down.
The edges. So always the edges. I always I like to make an analogy when you see a glass. So when you see a glass, what you will see is the edge.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay. So let's change the line weight here. Just select everything. Let's see which one is more. I think the 0.7 is more, has more lines. I'll just use 0.7 first. Okay. Oh, I will show. Remember, show this better. Yeah, I really encourage you to turn this on to see the actual size. And now you can change these lines to hidden, to 0.3, I mean, sorry. That will be 0.3. These things should be 0.3. Okay. Yeah. So I think, you know, when you do mirror, I think it's good if you change this first to 0.3 and 0.7. So you will also mirror the whole line. It's up to you though, but that's what I think. Have this and that. There has to be 0.3.